What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Today we're going to go over the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. A ton of you on the channel have been asking me to review this headset, so here it is. We're going to go over everything you guys need to know about this headset in this video. We're also going to be giving this headset away, plus a couple of other things on the channel for hitting the 5,000 subscriber mark, which could probably be today or tomorrow. Please make sure you guys go ahead and turn on your post notifications. To enter the giveaway, it's going to be super simple. It's going to be like the Elgato HD60 Pro giveaway that we did a couple of weeks ago. All you guys got to do is make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you guys like this video and comment, and then just send me a screenshot on either my Instagram or on my Twitter. Just send me a message showing that you guys commented on the channel and you guys are also following me on those platforms. For the design, you get two plastic ear cups that are held together by a metal substructure. The G logo is polished nicely on the outside of the ear cups, which doesn't look like anything Logitech has designed before. You have a ton of padding when it gets to the headband, with plenty of stitching to hold everything together. The left ear cup has two physical connections. You get a 3.5mm port for both the included headset cables. And speaking of cables, you get a ton of customization and use out of this headset depending on how you want to use it. You can connect it through the 3.5mm audio jack or connect it to the USB adapter and then take advantage of the software when connecting this headset to your PC. You can also use the included mic and the audio splitter for your gaming PCs. You get a fully detachable and flexible mic, along with the ability to swap out the leatherette and foam ear cups. It's funny because I'm starting to notice a trend here on the channel between the Logitech G Pro X and a lot of the HyperX gaming headsets that we've reviewed here on the channel in the past couple of weeks. None of them make it easy to swap out the leatherette and the foam ear cups. The headset doesn't weigh much. It comes in at 11 ounces, and more importantly, the headset is super comfortable, no matter if you guys go ahead and choose the leatherette pair or the foam pair to wear when you guys are gaming with this headset. The premium headsets in the Astro lineup make it so convenient to swap out the ear cups. However, we all know that comes at a hefty price tag. Historically, in my experience gaming over the years, the leatherette ear cups always sound better than the foam ear cups, so I always tend to stick with that style when it comes to gaming. One thing that threw me off with this headset is how hard it was for me to find the right fit. The outside feels much more rigid than it should, which led me to have to consistently take the headset off, readjust it, and put it back on. Something you really don't experience too much of when it comes to gaming headsets. They either feel comfortable or they don't. Overall, the headset was light and comfortable, but I thought I should mention to you guys that it was a little bit rigid when I put it on for the first couple of times. It ended up loosening up a little bit, but it still does feel a little bit rigid, especially around the temples. Music performance with this headset was amazing. Usually when reviewing gaming headsets, they lack in the sound quality department, but not this headset. The bass, along with the highs, the mids, and the lows, sound really good. Being a pro gamer, one of my favorite features of this headset is having the volume dial, along with the mic mute button halfway down the audio cord. It's much simpler to adjust it that way than having to shuffle your hand around your headset to find the mute or the volume button. Not to mention, much more convenient than having to get up and reach for your mix amp at a LAN event mid-match when you need to adjust your audio. Alright guys, so now we're up here in the game room, which is a soundproof room. We're going to go over the microphone you get with the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. We're going to go over the software, and we're also going to compare it to a studio mic like the Rode NT1 that we have right here in front of me to see how the audio quality compares versus this gaming headset. Now, the biggest breakthrough that you get with this headset, that's one of the best features, is actually in the Logitech G Hub software with the Blue Voice technology. You can activate the Blue Voice technology and then select what type of voice you have, whether it's a low and loud voice or a high and soft voice. You can then go ahead and record your voice with the Blue Voice technology enabled and let it read out what you say in real time. Now, this microphone isn't going to give you podcast style quality, but it definitely is probably one of the best, if not the best, microphones that I've ever tested out up here in the game room. It's definitely a step in the right direction for Logitech, and definitely one for the gaming community. For new streamers and gamers out there who can't really afford both a new gaming headset and a studio microphone, I feel like this would be the perfect headset to start your streaming career with. Even though this is a PC gaming headset primarily, when playing Call of Duty Warzone on PS4, it sounded just as good. I could hear the enemy footsteps and the direction of which way those footsteps were headed, along with hearing where the gunfights were at momentarily as they were going on. Alright, so next up we're going to go ahead and switch over to the microphone on the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. For this review so far up here in the game room, I've been speaking on the Rode NT1 microphone, which, like I said, is a much more expensive studio microphone. Then we're going to get into the software of this headset, and then we're going to compare the keyboard clicks and a few other things with this microphone. Alright guys, this is what the microphone sounds like on the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe, and only if you guys end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Next up, let's go over the most important part, and that is the software that you get with this headset. Okay, so right when you get into the app, you guys notice your microphone level gain, your input gain, enable Blue Voice, which we'll get into here in a second. But I just wanted to go over what else you guys can do in this app. There's multiple presets here for TSM Myth and a lot of the other guys that are streamers and gamers on here. There's a whole bunch of other presets that you guys get down here. Broadcaster 1, 2, low voice, like I said earlier, soft, low voice, loud. There's so many presets to go ahead and choose from in this app. It's actually insane. Getting over here, you get into the acoustics. You guys can go ahead and play with the acoustics, the volume, the mic, the side tone. You got a whole bunch of surround sound. You guys can enable a surround sound. We'll go ahead and select that. You've got so much more settings here to test the surround sound. Different volume settings based on whatever current setup that you guys are currently running. Getting over here into the equalizer settings, you guys can go ahead and adjust the equalizer settings based on whatever personal preference you guys have. On the left side over here, you have your multiple presets. Again, eSport Pro presets, TSM Myth again, Hamlin's, all these guys have their own presets that they prefer when gaming and streaming. You guys can go ahead, obviously you're not going to sound like them, but it'll give you the same preset that they're currently using with their setup. Getting back to the microphone, here you have your test where you can test out your microphone. We're going to go ahead now and enable the Blue Voice setting. What you guys have been listening to so far is the microphone without the enabled Blue Voice setting. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on. And now you guys are listening to me with the Blue Voice enabled, and you guys should notice a significant difference with the microphone on this headset. Over here on the right side, you get a lot more equalizer settings that you guys can play with. We'll go ahead and record my voice here. Yo, what is up, guys? This is what the microphone sounds like with this headset with the Blue Voice enabled. Then we can go ahead and play that back. Yo, what is up, guys? This is what the microphone sounds like with this headset with the Blue Voice enabled. As you guys can see, with the Blue Voice enabled, this headset does sound a little bit better and a little bit more crisp. Regardless, this is still one of the best sounding microphones that I've ever heard on a gaming headset. As you guys can see, the Blue Voice enabled sounds a little bit better and a little bit more crisp than it turned off. But regardless, this is probably one of the best sounding microphones, if not the best sounding microphone that I've ever heard on a gaming headset. This is absolutely insane. Not to mention you guys have so many different presets to play with, so many settings you guys can play with, that I feel like you guys will not have any issues choosing which one will work the best for your current gaming setup. You guys can go ahead and play with it. This is the default settings on this microphone. Aside from the Blue Voice being enabled, I haven't gone in there and played with any of the settings in this app. So it'll only sound even better once I tweak it a little bit. We're going to go ahead and leave the Blue Voice enabled for the rest of the review up here in the game room. And we're going to go ahead and test out the keyboard clicks with this headset when the keyboard is about 1.5 feet away from the mic. So let's go ahead and test that out. It doesn't seem to be picking up any keyboard clicks unless the noise gate opens when I start talking. That's about it. Honestly, this is just as good, if not better, than the Astro A50 updated review we did last week on that headset with the microphone. Yeah, the keyboard clicks with this headset are almost non-existent. This is the perfect gaming headset for you streamers and gamers out there who are looking to start streaming on Twitch, Mixer, whatever it is, and you don't have that money to go ahead and buy both a studio microphone and a gaming headset. To be honest, this microphone on this headset, let's see how it sounds compared to the Rode NT1 microphone. Let's go ahead. This is what this headset sounds like. Now we're gonna go ahead and switch over to the Rode NT1 and see what that microphone sounds like. All right, and now we've switched over to the Rode NT1 microphone. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Rode NT1. This is what the microphone quality sounds like with the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. As you guys can tell, this headset does not sound that bad. It sounds fantastic. Honestly, I'm super pumped. This might be my next go-to gaming headset up here in the game room when I don't feel like using the studio microphone or anything else like that, or if it's just shuffled around the game room somewhere. But honestly, for a wired headset, out of all the wired headsets that I've tested out in the past year, this is probably one of the best. Overall, this headset is probably one of the best, if not the best, gaming headsets that you can go ahead and pick up for under $150. It's super comfortable, it sounds amazing, and it's super easy to use. The ridge was a little tight at first, but other than that, I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and pick up this headset. If you guys are, however, looking for the best wireless gaming headset out in the market right now for the same price range, I would definitely go ahead and go pick up the SteelSeries Arctis 7 gaming headset. I did review that headset here on the channel for you guys a couple of weeks ago. I will leave that link down below in the description for you guys, right next to the Amazon affiliate links, if you guys would like to go ahead and purchase any one of these headsets and support the channel at the same time with no extra cost to you guys. As always, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever it is, make sure you guys go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section. Make sure you guys send me that screenshot on either Twitter or Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media, and that will enter you guys into the giveaway for not only this headset, but a few of the other giveaways that we're going to do here in the next week or two for hitting 5,000 subscribers here on the channel. That's going to wrap it up for the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. If you guys did end up liking this video, please make sure you guys go ahead and destroy that like button for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.